All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, the using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about AMP token. Yep, we're going to do a price prediction on it. I got about 3 or 4 other companies that are doing a price prediction right along with me. So we're going to read their price prediction. AMP token is up right this second. Fantastic. We're going to go over to that, their Twitter account and their website, and check out the being up. Also, we're going to talk about the Crypto Bowl or the Super Bowl coming up in 3 or 4 days from now. You can get a Bitcoin on Sunday by watching the Super Bowl. Obviously, it's a random drawing and stuff, but you can get a Bitcoin by watching a Super Bowl. Kind of crazy. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to AMP token. All right, this looks really good. Everything on here is green. AMP token is 77th. It's up 7.8% in the last 7 days. I love the fact that everything is green. That's so awesome. 1.25% in the last 24 hours, and the coin is over 3 cents. Clicking it, we got almost 1% up in the last 24 hours. Take a look in the last 24 hours. It looks real nice. But the last 7 days, it's been on a gradually going up, and it's keep going up to the right, up to the right. Fantastic for everybody. Check out the holders of AMP. Check out the 90 days. 3 months ago, there was about 54,000 people holding the AMP token. Today, there's 67,000. That's 13,000 more. About 12%, 12, 13%. So 12 or 13% more people owning the AMP. Now, when we were talking before, this price was at 5 cents and 4 cents. Now it's at 3 cents. We were always talking about how people wanted to load up when it's under 5 cents and load up. Then we got the 4 cents. I'm like, holy cow. Well, now it's around 3 cents. Are people loading up? Are you loading up on AMP right now? When we do the price prediction a little bit later, you're going to see maybe it's a good idea. All our information is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, back at the Twitter account, going back to last month, in Christmas, there was 25 days of Flex, so 30 different digital assets on Flex the network. They added 30 different assets on the network. So, I mean, that's gigantic, everybody. Another thing is they got added onto an investment fund. Grayscale, we have just announced an update component weighing for Grayscale DeFi, which now includes AMP. For the first time, AMP will be included in a Grayscale investment vehicle. So that's fantastic. I know it's a month old, but some of the people are watching this for the first time. So great news there. 30 new digital assets in December, being added as an investment fund in January. We also got a list on Bitstamp right here. Bitstamp listed AMP token and Phantom to be listed on Bitstamp. Fantastic right there. And then the VOD official. AMP is now available on VOD Official, the for support for trading, lending, borrowing, and saving. Trade AMP via AMP USD. And over here it says you can get 1% with the VOD savings, and you can loan it out at a 200%. Now look what it says. You can earn trading, lending, and borrowing with over 250 coins. All right, fantastic. Over here at the website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like USD, instant variable assurance for any real-world application. You can stake the AMP, you can send the AMP, you can repeat it. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize the risk for users with smart contract features, purpose-built for collateral, nothing more and nothing less. All right, so this is pretty cool that this token is up 7%. AMP is bouncing its way back up. We're going to go back to the website in a little bit. Now we're going to talk about how on Sunday people are going to win Bitcoins by watching the Super Bowl. I mean, this is nuts and stuff. All right, FTX is doing some type of a promotion on Sunday. Let's dig in. It says right here, FTX will give out a free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. Here's how to enter. One of the world's leading crypto exchanges has announced it will be giving out a Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. FTX, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, has announced additional in planning the Super Bowl advertisement. Now, how much are they giving? We're giving away some Bitcoin. How much? I don't know. We're giving away $1 million, maybe $1.5 million worth. We don't actually know. The later the big game goes on the air, the more Bitcoin you can win. See on Sunday, FTX contest. No purchases necessary. Let's see what this guy's saying. Now, they're going to be advertising this. They may advertise this on Saturday and Sunday.
I've missed out on talking for 33 years, but I'm not missing out this Sunday. FTX is giving away the time their ad runs in Bitcoin, and I'm going to win. For charity.
All right, there's an FTX
I've
commercial.
missed out on talk.
You're going to probably see that on Saturday or Sunday, or it could be 2 or 3 hours before the game. But yeah, FTX is giving out Bitcoins. Now here's what it says. The crypto exchange took to Twitter to announce that it will be giving away free Bitcoins to 4 lucky winners who retweet the pinned post on the FTX Twitter account. So it says right here, the amount of the Bitcoin will be deposited in their FTX account. Each winner will receive a Bitcoin deposited in their FTX account. So you're probably going to have to download the FTX platform on your phone, and you're going to have to download it to be able to win. Also, a lot of stuff talking about the Super Bowl. Who's playing? Cincinnati Bengals and the Los Angeles Rams. Not on the 14th, on February 13th. Little typo right there. Let's go Bengals. I'm okay if the Rams win too. So here's the thing. Crypto.com, FTX, all these companies that are advertising for the Super Bowl, they've been advertising the whole entire football season. Well, guess what? This is Crypto.com. They're going to be right there on Sunday with FTX, right there with Binance, right there with BitBuys.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
All right, I just want to do a minute or two on the crypto Super Bowl or Crypto Bowl. Crypto.com, FTX, all these companies are going to be bringing it on Sunday, and they say that there's 43% new marketers advertising this year, and 4 of them are crypto companies. BitBuy, Binance, FTX, and Crypto.com. You're going to see them on Sunday. I've been saying for a month the best Super Bowl commercials are going to be crypto commercials. All right, let's head back over to AMP Token for a price prediction and check this out. So this is an article that says AMP's price prediction. Where is AMP crypto heading in the new year? It's on the NASDAQ right here. So I'm going to go right down to the price prediction. AMP's price prediction. The Wallet Investor says the projection for AMP could hit 7 cents in 1 year and 13 cents in 5. Well, it's at 3 cents right now. So 3 to 7 would be double. That'd be a 2x for everybody. Coin price forecast lists in 1 year to 5 years. The price should go from up to 11 cents to 28 cents. Wow, 11 cents. That's pretty good considering what it's at right now. This one right here, Coin QUORA, believes that it's going to hit 9 cents by 2022, but literally by 2025, that's like 3 years down the road, that this token could be at 35 cents. All right, what's our price prediction? Well, this coin's at 3 cents right now. I'm thinking it's going to go to 4 cents. 4 cents, 4.5 cents by the end of the first quarter. All our information is for educational purposes only. It's going up 7% right now. Go AMP token. Go AMP token. Again, just to show you this everywhere. Look at all the green. That makes you feel good, everybody. Up 19%, up 11%, up 16%. AMP token actually is up 8.5%. Go AMP, go. All right, everybody. There's our AMP token for the last few days, giving a nice price prediction. We've done a couple other companies. AMP was at 5 cents and then went all the way to 7 cents a few months ago, and it went up. In last June, it was actually at 12 cents. So it's 3 cents right now. So come on, AMP Army, let's get these guys going. Super Bowl, Crypto Bowl, win a Bitcoin, FTX, Crypto.com, all kinds of stuff going on this Sunday. Bengals and Rams. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Hey everybody, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. You have a fantastic day today.